Hello guys, welcome back to another inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Wick Diffuser not working. So if you're interested, let's get started. Now if your Wick Diffuser is not working, there are a few things I could try doing here to probably fix this issue. So in this case, first things first is you want to make sure that your Wick Diffuser has, or the battery for it has some charge. Now in this case, most common here is if you've been using it and you notice that it's getting weaker, or in this case totally stop working, you may want to consider replacing batteries or charging the batteries here and see if that actually helps. Sometimes it may have some low charge, or the batteries has a low charge here. That's why the diffuser is no longer working. Go ahead and check that and see if that actually helps. Now, another thing that you may want to consider here is you may want to basically lubricate the actual hole that where the in this case the air is actually coming from. So usually in the hole here, you want to go ahead and access that. So by the way, you may need to remove your cover here depending on what you currently have, but in this case you want to go ahead and access the hole, remove the cover, and also remove the bulb inside the diffuser first. So you may need to unscrew that inside, remove the cover, unscrew that, and you want to go and get a WD-40 here and just spray it in the hole. Not too much, just enough. So just spray it to lubricate the actual hole, and typically you may need to wait a few seconds, just let it rest out there, and once it's actually up, you can go ahead and just run it and see if that actually helps. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to enough inspo. Thank you for watching.